I like eating cantaloupe. Pulling out some fresh cantaloupe from the garden.
To avoid getting
whacked.
Yeah, no. Flying. Oh. So.
lift and it went in reverse.
I'd probably freak out.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not what I'd expect. Didn't they have that card on like every tower at
Yeah, I'm trying to remember.
It was that, okay, if you remember it.
No, somewhere else.
Wasn't it Bromley?
Probably. Yeah, Bromley.
Mom and I thought it was at Wyndham, but if it's not Wyndham, then it was probably Bromley, yeah. There's so much snow still around here.
I know. There's a lot. Except for that.
Yeah, there was that one path on that trail.
Yeah, where we had to, like, there were some guys over on the right side.
Yeah.
I was like, sorry guys. It looked kind of brown in the middle.
Stop raining.
I know. Wow.
So foggy though. If I hadn't basically memorized the lift line, I wouldn't have known that we were at the top last time.
That's funny. It's funny you said that. I had no idea where we were. When you said that, I was like, oh wow.
I could tell by the way it flattened out.
It's funny.
could try like whistling.
I know, I was thinking the same thing. It's like kind of eerie.
Ghost lift.
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh, spooky.
I think I'm gonna run in at the top and go to the restroom.
Okay.
To that little lodge.
Sure.
I figure you probably might want to do some filming.
Yeah, I could use the restroom too.
All right, just hang out here.